can't turn my head to the right at all.
Breathe in. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Head's coming this way. Hand here. 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Beautiful.
This first crack changed her life.
Okay, let this relax a little bit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please tell me you're doing the other side.
Oh, I'm doing the other side.
That was nice. It just, a lot came out. I could feel it.
Mm-hmm.
He couldn't turn his head for 3+ years.
Let your head fall in here.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Really? Oh. Couldn't look that way. Look.
I know.
Oh 3 years, man.
3 years.
I will sleep good today.
Huge occipital lift.
Oh, wow.
Holy macaroni. How did that feel?
That felt great. That feels better. Oh.
Bend your head down. You ready?
Hot girl summer.
All right. Good, let your neck open up. Do you feel that in your mid back?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh! Boom! Boom!
I thought the last one was the one. Oh my goodness. Oh, with the graph now. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh. Okay, I'm perfect. Now I'm talk back.
Turn that way.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what? Woo woo. Hi, girl, summer.
Professional volleyball player here. Low back tension. We come in here, get that pelvis, get that low back, get those hips. Just gonna come right in here. Okay.
Look all the way to the right for me. Yeah, that ain't no good. Does that hurt at all when you do that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I gotta force it down. Hey, feel it.
What? Sound like you over there. Golly. Oh my God.
That relief, they just.
Oh, look at that.
Hold on.
Yeah.
What I'm talking about?
That feels a lot better.
Mm-hmm. Okay, take a deep breath. Let it out. It's good. Keep relaxed.
All right, 1, 2. What? Is it backed by science? No.
Alright, the fingers is calm. We all do that one. Not the twisted thing. Aye. Yo, is she okay? Yo, we need to see a doctor, bro.
Wait, I did it.
We're gonna do an adjustment. This is good for your headaches and stuff like that. So we're gonna drop. It's gonna make a little clucking noise. Ready? Up. Oh my god.
That was weird.
That was a lot. Okay, we're also gonna fix this situation here. All right, the same thing here. Drop, drop, drop. Ceiling. Good. Now both hands behind your neck. This is to help you with your upper back scenario. When I tell you, go like this. Okay. Got one. We got two. Elbow squeeze. There it is. Wow. Oh my God. How's that feel?
Deep breath in. Out. All the way, all the way.
Oh. Oh.
Go to the spa, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
I think that's all I got.
No. Oh, one, okay. Oh, nice. I already got my neck ones earlier. Oh, sometimes I get... Okay, that's a little baby. That's all. Guys, I just got out of bed. You guys like the cracking, so I'm gonna do fresh morning cracks. Fresh morning crack. Oh, that one might do it. No. Oh jeez, I gotta hit my toes. Oh, I cut it out, but I just cracked my toes. I know. Oh god, these are horrible cracks. These are horrible. Oh, that was a good one.
Her reaction scared me.
You've seen this one? Yeah. All right. So we're going to get your sacrum here. I'm going to roll your body forward towards me. You're not going to fall. So come right in here, okay? Nice and easy. Oh, shit! Oh, scared the ish out.
Oh, that's okay.
Well, that was a release there. Damn, that was crazy.